At Express Service Group Inc., we take great pride in our experience, expertise, quality, and customer service that we provide to meet the consumer's needs. It is our mission to provide excellent workmanship and complete customer satisfaction from start to completion of a project. In order to understand the needs and expectations of our customers, we take great care to work and communicate with every customer in a professional manner. Our reputation is based on service, safety, and quality, offering electrical, HVAC, and plumbing services to North and South Carolina.
Now remember, don't stress. Call Express for all your electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and water and fire restoration needs at 843-488-4503. Again, that's 843-488-4503. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll stay up to date with Express. We appreciate you sharing our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to watch the next Express video. Thank you for watching.